Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my correlistic people, today I say let me bring from our own Princess Odogunoge. Ah, what he said is going to shock you. In fact, this Igbo and Yoruba issue is getting out of hand, though, but we are the only ones that is going to settle it because this is what the politicians really need. They are just using all those lazy youth in Yoruba land. Some of them, not all of them anyways, to do this fighting, but at the end of the day, they are going to regret. So let us hear from our princess and I'll be right back.
They don't the learner. Oh, kuwa kasa. Oh, you man. Oh, rira. Make una learner more na see vision for Peter B. How the bite Jagaba go tell Live City give it Peter B. Una they think. Una they think. Ohaneze dig, but we are not con day. We are not there. Ohaneze Josie. Una pikin when na sebe make them use the cannot do sacrifice now be the rate for now. We are not there. The money wanna bring make they bring it. Samolek ma come out. Where did the money? They don't bring a come for now. What did the gods of the land do now? The city, the Peter Bigo, who they hand over certificate to? Who no win? Who they hand over certificate to Haneze Igbo or Haneze Joshi? Who? The word of God and our ancestors, the true way. It must surely come to pass. That is why I dance. I did dance for my ancestors. I go dance. I go praise them. I go invite them. Make them come see. They say that water they go take away. All the whole people when they kill innocent people for that land. When I see what happen for that what they call this country, what happen now? So they go take wipe on away. All of una now go wipe away. With them una matter now, the gods of the land they don't matter. More than they kill innocent people. More than they burn innocent people shop. More than they give a wage money, make it they burn Igbo people shop. That they burn them for not for a common land when they suffer me, put chain for my hand like this. Carry me go do slave. I die, come back. I say na my land I go still come back. I die again, come back. Now my land, whether they go change. The Oba no change. The colonial master no change. The Fulani no change. Now water will give you a baba. My Biafra people are from today. Anyone when he born on a property. Because make una born all the Yoruba house. When it then near, when una no say na there can't do the thing. Even the Jagaba house, even though na 20 army there, how to born has not the heart. The gods of the land, they go put ancestors fire for there. You go burn them into ashes. You go burn them because una stubborn. Una stubborn, my people. You don't pay. Una call the propaganda voting. Vote yo, Peter B. Peter, where the voting now? Where the voting? Where the voting? Na court. Na court na one court see now na one see justice. When in the canon not see justice, to still dey prison. Now Peter B go see justice for court. Come on, my people. Come on, my Biafra people. Come on, my people. Anywhere on a day. God is not. Anywhere when he burn on a market, make una burn their house. Burn their business. Burn. May we do a nyaga. May we do a ziggy. Burn. Any Yoruba no. You see your do what people. Yoruba people, when I saw they say they measure Yoruba. If I measure Yoruba, not be una. Because good one day for una. No, don't say. Or do what. Anyone will now be visitor in our land. All those obas, when they name obas, go reach worry, all of them, they need to burn to ashes. They need to burn to ashes. All those people, they don't deserve good. They need to burn. Because now they put this difficult for our life. Now they put this sorrow for our life. Now they put this dying for our life. Burn them. Now they be the abomination. They burn abomination where they talk. And then Igbo people more than no fear. A cold land. Now the land where my blood touch ground. Now the land where they put chain for me. Now the land where they carry my brothers and sisters. Now the land they carry our children fit crocodile or Igbo for slavery. Now the Obas, especially the Oba of Benin, especially the Oba of Benin, all Igbo people when they carry for slave. Now you get her, now there, Eko, now there they dump us. Many they go come, many they go come. We will be daughters of the land. We declare saying at this time we go end up. We not go fit die go come. Even if I die, even if I die now, you know saying at the ending they go. It don't really reach the ending. Moment I tell my children, I say, Mama, dress me for bed. I go. Oh, FBB, Oziriza. Now it go be. Because Obas, with Fulani, all this Arab blood, they don't get pity for you, man. They don't get pity for you, man. See, when they come, they wash our people. They can still do meeting. They can still do this their society when they. They can say they can put different fake pastor. Because they know say many women get power. Especially women. Power day. Power day. They will, if they will call say na demonic, they will say the one that they are demonic when they go carry for inside water, when they carry their pricky fork to top of mommy water, they will call use and they remove the waiting God they bless women. The power when he give them. But now, the gods of our land, our ancestors, the power of the first race, it don't cancel, it don't destroy them. Now disgrace all of them, all those fake pastors will see. Disgrace. Disgrace. We they, the women, they when he carry the power. When the gods of the land evoke the power for their body to destroy them, I be one of them. Princess, the daughter of ancestors. It's me. Oh, more. All the whole Oba now they talk to Mona come. Share this video to the whole Oba of Lagos, of Benin.
So my Kabbalistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and bye-bye.